Hello everybody from RFID Live Journal 2012 in Orlando. RFID anytime, anywhere is our theme this year. We have a great show here with a great booth, great application demos and great customer meetings. On top of that, we have two lounges. One is on NFC with our Dr. Touch Me and one is on security with our Dr. Hack. What I want to show you is this year's fun poster. It's about multi-applications without compromise. On the catwalk here, you see the different applications we enable with RFID. It starts with animal ID, libraries, retail fashion, fast-moving consumer goods, coffee and wine, gaming, electronics, and there will be much more. We don't compromise for the underlying protocol, frequency, or security, as we have it all. We drive a technology-agnostic approach to offer the best-in-class solutions for our customers. Looking forward to meet you here at the show. Thank you.
NFC for proximity marketing is fast, convenient and measurable. I can show to you a few examples of the application of NFC, for example in transportation or in payment or to get a movie trailer. In my first example, if you're just tapping the phone over a smart poster, you can have the up-to-date timetable for whatever transport infrastructure you need to use. In a second example, you might like a nice pair of sunglasses and then you can immediately decide to buy them online. In my last example, you might like to see the latest movie trailer. You can decide to enjoy the trailer and maybe decide to reserve a seat at the nearest cinema.
I'd like to introduce the NXP solution for theft detection. As we know, the high-valued jewelry are the brands of theft. As we can see, those small metal items are attached by a small RFID tag. The retailers can visibly see the status of all their high-valued items in the shop. While somebody moved out a certain item, the system can reflect immediately what is missing. We moved this ring and the system will immediately ring the alarm to the retailer.
What I want to show you here at the booth is a video game which connects the physical world with the virtual world. How can this be done now? You just need a RFID reader and some tag which is in a character. RFID enables that you can also store some things on the transponder, which means during the game you collect money, you're getting strengths, additional skills, everything is stored on the character itself. My children like it. They can take it with them to their friends, play with their personalized character and move on. So that is technology which shows what NXP can do for you.
What I wanted to show you today is a demo which is using the Google phone. You might have heard about the Google Wallet. And it shows the payment using a phone and using NFC technology, where the phone can then act as your credit card. So I press payment here. And now I can use my phone to do the payment. Transaction finished. So now it says paper safe. I place the phone here again, and it already has sent the receipt to the phone. So this was a good combination of NXP and Google Wallet for retail usage.
What I'm going to show you today is our solution for anti-counterfeiting, product authentication, and also we're going to show you how the consumer can get additional information by the tags and labels that are already applied to the whiskey bottles. What you can do is I just put it here and then we can see fail or pass, which in that case means, is it real? Yes, then it's authenticated product, or is it fake? No, this product can come from anywhere else in the world. You could get additional reviews. For example, get the customer reviews. did the other customers like the whiskey or did they not like it? So what we have here, we have not only a solution that provides you brand protection, but this is also something that helps out the consumer by giving them additional information.
In the industry, there has been a demand to be able to somehow make this a very easy process. And so NXP has found a way to do this. The end users of the product, of the tags, applying it to these products, do not have to worry about serial numbers, about managing it, about keeping databases for it. It's all done by NXP. Using a barcode reader, I can read the product code of this product over here. It's now being translated by the software into a code that will now be encoded into this EPC. We have now encoded all these tags at once with a common product code, but each one of them, of these tags, is unique and trackable as a single item uniquely.
This device is an interactive Gen 2 device which serves as a wireless interface between an existing infrastructure and the microprocessor of a device similar to this. This is a tablet, and generally speaking, a tablet would have a tag placed on the outside of the enclosure. But in this case, we're going to use the enclosure itself as the tag. What I'll do here is turn it on, activate it, and all that information that we just put in, including the Wi-Fi, the graphics selection, the personalized note, appear on the screen. So this allows me to have bidirectional communication. So I can write to the device, or the device can write back to the GUI. And that is our interactive Gen 2 RFID for electronics demonstration.
This is a demonstration with gaming cards to show you the capability of the iCode ILT to identify, count and locate items even if they are densely stacked. Here you can see that we easily can locate the cards. Now let's place the flop. Then turn, and then the river. With this example, you see that you can easily count and identify all the items. For example, it can be poker cards, poker chips, but it can also be stacked documents.
Today I will show you the NXP solution for retail fashion. If you want to do inventory, you have to scan every barcode of those jeans, but with the RFID we can do it fast and accurate. So NXP solution, you have a RFID label with NXP UCO G2IL chip inside, and we will use the Motorola handheld reader. You just take the handheld reader and just go through all the racks, and done. You have all the items that are on the shelf. So fast and accurate. We did it within just few seconds, and usually it would take for 261 items, it would take much longer time.
We have experience in security. We have security for passports, for banking cards, for ID cards. So we know how to make secure tags. We try to leverage that knowledge and add security to the tags that we already have. And for these applications, we use standardized technology that is currently available and can be read with any reader in the field. But a password has a limited security. What is important for this technology is that the secret is exchanged without revealing the secret. So to use the secret of the manufacturer to encrypt the same random number and send the result back to the phone. And then the phone will receive the two results, and if they are the same, then the phone knows for sure that the secret in the bag is the same secret as the manufacturer, so this is a genuine tie.